Welcome back to another one, guys. I'm pumped to be back in this area. Last time we did pretty good here. Wasn't cold enough, but last night dropped to almost 50s. Figure out I want to check this warm water that is being discharged from the power plant. So low tide, like you see right now. Dead low tide actually. I'm not expecting much, but you never know. That's the idea today. Meeting with Sonny and Clint. I think gonna join us for the rest of the day, but it's gonna be me and Sonny for now. He should be somewhere around here. Have to find him. So let's get ready and catch some fish. Stay tuned. You see the kayak coming? I think that's Sonny. Yeah, it is him. So let's see. He's been here before me. I don't know where he was hiding or catching, but let's see what he can say. What's in the other side? What's going on, man?
I went in there and caught. I went back there.
Yeah.
Caught a trout. Right.
I got you. Let's go, man.
Do it.
All right, you guys, change of plan. There's no water there, but we're coming straight for the sheepies. We're gonna go to our favorite spot, anchored. Get the sheepies for now. Then we're gonna go on the other side, search for black drum, redfish, snook, whatever bites. So we're ready. We're using a light setup. Gonna start with sheepies and go back for drums the same way. 10-pound main line, 20-pound leader. We got some mud crabs and some mangrove tree crabs. The other day we had lots of them and they ran out fast. Today we don't have them much, so we're gonna make them count, guys. So yeah, like always, hooking them from the front like that and come on the back. On the bottom though, you don't want to kill them. That's the best way I found out to hook mangrove tree crabs. Then mud crabs is different. You have to go from the legs because their back shell is tough. Let's catch a fish on our first cast. Let's go. First sheepy of the day. I had this line on the shrimp and look what I get. We're trying with crab, we couldn't find them. Targeted species. Oh yeah, I'll take it. Let's throw a crab under us. Let's see. Get a big one.
I guess I'll keep her in case we go to the power plant.
Huh?
I'll keep my lady in case we go to the power
Yeah, I did the same thing with mine, just to have it.
Huh?
Yeah, I did the same thing with mine. Why not? I'll keep it. Fish on. Oh, that's a good one. Nice. Sheepy keepy, guys. Sheepy keepy. Nice sheepy. They're on the channel. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, that's a biggie. Oh yeah. Look at this fat boy. Look at that. Look at the teeth. Yum, 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 yum. I'll say 16, 17. So that was on a mud crab. Let's go back on the mud crab. Let's see if we can catch another monster. We're just dropping on the edge of the channel. Look like they are a little deeper since there's no water on the mangroves. He's going, come on. Oh, there you go. Fish on. It's a smaller one this time. Oh, never mind, lost it. It's okay. Yeah, if you ever up, leave a ladder up. So. Why, you got stuck? You pedal drive?
Yeah.
What happened? You want me to hold you?
I got it.
Got it? Oh, you got it stuck on your pedal drive.
Yeah.
That's good. Go ahead and grab your
No, mine is in there. Works the best on muddy and sandy water.
I think right here, right? You said?
Yeah, they're biting right here. So if you position it in front of me or in the back of me, catching them on this drop right here. It's so deep there, so look like that's where they stay during the low tide.
Yeah, yeah.
And then they go back in those sides. All right, look at that. So right here, Tom. Just right in front of us. Boom. Not this time. Fish on.
Good one?
It looks okay, actually. No, it's good size. Ah, come on. I don't like this hook, man. No, I swear, I'm out of those nice hooks. And I have this Walmart hook today. And this is not doing it for me. That was a good size. Oh, come on. Yeah, that look like they're big here. Let's go back. Let's catch him again. Pigeon.
Oh yeah.
It's not that big, but hey, I'll take it. We're losing the big ones and hold small ones are holding. Let's go, Tom. Let's get them, man. Let's get those 16 inches.
Yeah, let's see it.
That's good. All right, fish on. I thought this is better. Look at the size of this pinfish. Jeez, look at the size of this pinfish, guy. Let's measure him. All right. 0. Right there. It's almost 11.5. So this is 11.5. Yeah? Actually, it is 11.5. Pinch the tail. Look at that guy. 11.5 inches pinfish. That's good eat right there. Yeah, no, here the ship is started. I got a nice one.
Nice.
Yeah,
Right.
Tony. I got 3, he got like 2. Oh, there you go. That's a keep right there. Come on, man. It's like what, 13, 14?
Yeah, I'd say 42, 43
Yeah.
before the camera.
I'll let this guy go and girl. Let me see where he is first. Come on, man. Only keeping 14s today, so they're lucky. Actually, yeah, it's just.
Bush,
Yeah,
we'll go check that spot again.
yeah. Let me know if they're there. I'll say 14. I was still gonna let him go. We need some fat ones today. All right, let's go. Tony is going to check back the spot that we started from. We already had 2 keepers there, but I'm still gonna search this area, see if he catch them, and I'm gonna go. Let's catch a fat one. Oh yeah. Fish on. Yeah, this time it's small. We're getting on them though. We're getting on them. Alright. start chewing pretty good. Finally some sun out. Kind of cold today. Just right here, guys, in front of the channel, where the big drop is. There's some small ones now here. Yeah, they're tiny. What happened with the big one? What happened to the big ones? Huh?
They just pecked the head apart. So these got to be like Penn Fish or whatever.
Or tiny sheepies. It's a lot of tiny sheepies. If we don't catch a big one in a few minutes, we're gonna go back to our spot and check that spot out. Yeah, I think I'm pretty good here. So let's see. Alright, we're back where we started. Let's hop there here and slay those big ones. I have a split shot right now, so I'm just gonna leave it on. I put split shot for the deep water. I'm not gonna bother picking it off, so let's go. Alright, let's hop there here. Such an easy spot to catch them when they're here. Huh?
Too close to you now, Bush.
Okay. You hold it?
This thing sucks. I'm gonna have to get the one you have.
Yeah, you have to. Those are not. I only use 8. Don't even need heavy on this. We even anchor with this on a deep channel on a honeymoon, man. First sheepy in our spot. It's not giant though. He's fighting like he's a giant. He's fighting like he's a giant. Got me excited. Oh well.
Well, small ones gotta eat too, you know?
Yeah. It's feisty. And it's small.
Bush has got a nice sheep too next to his cooler.
Oh yeah.
Hold that one.
So this one?
Yeah, look at that one. Oh, I'm getting bit.
Nice.
Either I'm getting bit or my bait's getting nervous here.
Man, I'm going round and round, but on circles. I have to cut this guy. He swallowed, so I have to cut him. Let's go. Sonny's trying to get the giant before he leaves. Let's go. He'll look good when he's coming. Sonny slay them on cricket, so it's a new bait.
Yeah, look at this, guys.
New bait.
Can't really see him, but
nice. Let's go.
they do work.
Let's get a 17-incher with that.
Let's see it with the cricket. Nice bait fish.
I have to with that. Yeah, they're kind of on a tip today, I guess. It's deeper there, probably.
Yeah, right here. To the right
Yeah.
a little bit. Oh, there we go. There we go.
Going.
Oh, man.
Grab another one.
Why use crab when you can use cricket, right?
Yeah. Easy catch right there.
Look at that.
Nice.
Yes, sir.
A little small right now,
Yeah.
but
There's a lot of small ones out there. Well, there are big ones out there, though. The big ones are here, too. All right, Bush.
hi man.
Till next time.
Good fishing with you today, brother.
Yeah, we'll do it again.
I'll see. Whoa!
Oh,
That was a good one.
we'll do it again soon.
Oh,
maybe,
yeah.
Maybe Thursday or something. Take
Alright,
care.
later, man. Alright. We still have more time. Get some nice. Oh, that's there. some of this cricket that Sonny left here. Let's see. Crickets for Shibi. There you have it, guys. Tiny crickets. Let's go. Yeah, we have a couple of them that Sonny left, so that's right in there. It's tough to send them pre-line, you know. Yeah. So small. Waiting. Man, no waiting on the cricket. Huh? Nah, not good there. Tried before. I'm gonna go back there, guys. They're getting smaller here. So let's go back to the deep channel. I guess the big ones are there today. Nice. Clean got the drum. He went and grabbed it, eh?
Yeah, he took it and ran.
How big is it?
Oh, he's big.
Good catch. I'm here tying again. I got stuck on the mangrove, so bro, need to put another hook.
Oh, he's big, big.
Probably that's what Sonny saw earlier, right?
Probably.
Nice. We came back on the deep here. See if we catch those big sheepies here. Only small ones there on that spot. Oh yeah. No waiting. That's a nice sheepy. Come on, sheepy, sheepy, sheepy. It's like 12 half. Yeah. Because the big ones are on the deeper waters today. But first we want to catch a big sheepy. Let's go. You're a crooked. That's the best I can do with a... Or maybe I'm gonna anchor on the other side. Looks like a good one. Maybe just small, maybe 5 feet or something. Let's see. Oh, actually it's fat. It's like 13. Another 13, I would say. Oh, he's just fat. Doing some half crabbies now. Bite is there, but not as aggressive, I'll say. Just right in front of her. Fish on. It's feeling pretty good. Don't tell me this is a pinfish. Look at the size of this pinfish. Woo! Jeez! It's bigger than the first one. Look at the size of this pinfish, guys. Stop moving, stop moving. Let's measure this guy again. Pinfish on steroids here. Jeez! Supposed to go then. Yeah? 12-inch pinfish, look at that. Look at that. Jeez. We're gonna end up our day with this fat pinner there. Look at him. Look at the size of that pinfish, guys. Jeez. Alright, it's getting late, guys. So today we came back to Gandy Beach, tried the mangroves. We didn't fish the deep channel again. It was low tide there. I didn't see much, so I didn't want to waste my time there. I came back to the mangroves and man, sheepshead are here. Nothing crazy big today, only one big one. The rest were just 13s, 14s, 12s. Overall, was fun. Was me, Tony, and Clean today. Clean take, she got a big drum. Everything else was Sheepshead. So yeah, this area is producing pretty good. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, like always, please like, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and I'll see you on the next one.